In this guide, I'll show you how to turn on and use cheats in Minecraft Java Edition. So there's two main ways you can do this. The first way being creating a new world, and once you're here, all you have to do is toggle on allow cheats. Now, if you don't want to create a new world, I'll show you how to do it in your current world. So to do this, you want to press escape on your keyboard while you're in your world, and from here you want to select open to LAN. Now do bear in mind, if you turn on allow cheats on your world and you select start LAN world in the bottom left corner, you'll never be able to turn them off. But if you want to turn them on, that's how you do it in game. Now to use cheats, you want to press T on your keyboard, which is going to open up the chat box where you can type in commands. So for example, if I wanted to change the weather, I'm going to type slash weather and then space and clear. And then I'm just going to press enter on my keyboard and it's going to change the weather. So it's simply just a matter of learning different commands, and there's huge lists online you can get to use different cheats. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.